Welcome back to USA. Future car return of the Chevrolet El Camino in 2025 is creating a wave of excitement among car enthusiasts and pickup fans alike. Blending the muscle car heritage of Chevrolet with the practicality of a truck, the new El Camino promises to be a game-changer in the pickup segment. The 2025 model is rumored to feature a modern design with retro styling cues that pay homage to its iconic predecessors. The front fascia is expected to sport Chevrolet's signature grille, LED headlights, and aggressive body lines, giving it a bold presence on the road. With a unibody construction similar to the Chevrolet Malibu, the El Camino is expected to offer a smooth and refined ride, setting it apart from traditional body-on-frame trucks. Under the hood, Chevrolet is likely to offer multiple powertrain options, catering to both performance seekers and those looking for fuel efficiency. A turbocharged four-cylinder is expected to be the base engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those craving more muscle, a 6.2-liter V8 option could be on the table, pushing the El Camino into serious performance territory. Additionally, there are speculations about a hybrid or even an all-electric version, aligning with Chevrolet's commitment to electrification. The powertrain choices will determine the truck's towing and payload capacity, which are anticipated to be competitive with mid-size trucks currently on the market. Inside the cabin, the 2025 El Camino is set to impress with a driver-focused cockpit, premium materials, and advanced technology. Chevrolet is expected to equip the vehicle with a large touchscreen infotainment system featuring the latest version of Chevrolet's infotainment software, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system. A digital instrument cluster, heated and ventilated seats, and a host of driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking are likely to be included. The interior design will balance sportiness and comfort, making the El Camino suitable for both everyday driving and long road trips. Chevrolet is expected to position the El Camino as a lifestyle pickup, appealing to buyers who want a versatile vehicle without compromising on performance or style. It could be a direct competitor to models like the Hyundai Santa Cruz and Ford Maverick, but with a distinct Chevy muscle car DNA. Pricing is still speculative, but the base model is anticipated to start around $30,000, with higher trims reaching closer to $50,000. The official reveal is expected later this year, and if the rumors hold true, the return of the Chevrolet El Camino could shake up the pickup market in a big way.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Rich World for more updates and insights on the world of luxury and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.